Are you a teenager like me that doesn't want to clean their room but their parents are always having a go at them for their room being super messy? Then keep on watching because I have all of the secrets on how to clean your room really quick but also make it look super poppin'. Hi guys, my name's Katie. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be talking about cleaning our rooms. The worst thing ever. Our parents are always complaining when it's not clean, but then when it is clean, they don't notice. Why? On this channel we talk about beauty, fashion and lifestyle without having to break the bank. I care about you guys so much and I always want the best for you. I don't want you to spend money on anything that sucks. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to go down below and click that subscribe button and that little bell next to it so my videos actually turn up in your subscription box. Thank you so much, YouTube. It would also mean a lot to me if you were to give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and that means the absolute world to me. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So to start off with, your room is gonna literally look like a mess, just like mine. I literally cleaned it like 2 days ago while like listening to music, having fun, and yeah, it looks like this again. So obviously there's makeup, there's clothes, there's just junk everywhere, and we don't want that to be the case because I don't want my room to be messier than my life. So what I first will do is I move my laptop off my bed because I'm always watching Netflix and YouTube and I'm sitting there all night watching stuff on my computer, so I moved out the way and then I decided I wanted to strip my bed and change the bedding. So I just took off my pillows and I'm just taking the sheets off them and just stripping my bed so I can put completely new bedding on it. And as you might be able to tell in a second, I am very short, so I can't reach the top of my bed, so I have to kind of struggle to get the sheets off. Then because I'm actually like a very cold person, I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, I get super cold, so I have an electric blanket even through the summer. So as I said, I am taking my sheets off and I'm going to put them in the wash, and while they're in the wash I'm just going to swap them in for a new thing of sheets. I don't know what to call them, a new set of sheets I guess. And yeah, I just have this white one on. As you can tell, it's very wrinkly. I didn't really bother to iron it because I'm quite lazy and I figured you wouldn't really see it anyway, but I think you kind of can. So yeah, I just swapped the bedding for this really pretty purple colour. It doesn't really go with the curtains in my room, but it's fine. Then I just put these really cute pillows on my bed. If you know me, then you'll know I love cats, and yeah, they're my favorite thing ever. I always like hang out with my cat rather than people. Like, I just enjoy it more. I know that's really weird. This is how my room's looking so far. So my bed is nice and clean, but the rest of my room needs sorting ASAP. So I move my computer back to my bed and I get started on my desk. It's quite messy at the minute, and yeah, it definitely needs sorting. So I just moved my fan out of the way because although I just said I get really cold, I also sometimes get really hot. So I have a fan, and then I also have this sign that I got from my background in my videos from New Look, and because of my lens it literally just blurs it out and you can't read what it says, so I just have it in my room. Then I just put away like some of my hairbrushes, chuck away some rubbish that I have, and just kind of chuck everything into one drawer and pretend like it's tidying, honestly. Does anyone else do that? Just like chuck everything into one drawer or one corner of the room and then it makes you feel like the rest of the room is really tidy when it's not, because me. Then I light my favourite candle from Yankee Candle because it smells like Disneyland Paris. Then I just kind of like rearrange it a little bit just to kind of switch it up. Then I move on to probably the most like bit of my room that kind of stresses me out, and it's like all the wires and things that I have on the floor. I only really have one plug socket in my room I can use, so I have to have an extension and I just have like really tangled headphones and like tangled wires, and honestly they do kind of stress me out. First world problems for sure. Then I turned on my really pretty lights. They're from Amazon. I'll try and leave them down below. I'm actually a YouTuber that does leave things in the description box when I say I will. Isn't that weird? No shade. So then I move on to where I kind of do my makeup in the morning, because there is a big window in front of it and it gets the best lighting in my entire room. I have some makeup on the top that I just want to put in my drawer so I can get it out of the way, because there's some products that I don't use on an everyday basis that I was like switching up to try. Then I just put some of that stuff back into my palette drawer as well, which is very messy and definitely needs sorting out ASAP. If you'd like a makeup collection video, do let me know and I will try and get to do that very soon. Then I just kind of tidy up the top of my makeup drawers, put some brushes back that was on my desk, and yeah, I just have deodorant and my everyday perfume there. Tidy up and put things into different places and make it seem like the room is clean when I've just kind of moved stuff around into drawers like I just did there and I did earlier as well. Life hack. So then I went through my makeup bag and I tend to try products from my collection that I haven't used in a while, and then some of them I keep in my makeup bag and some of them I put back into my drawers if I didn't like them or I don't want to use them. So yeah, I just was taking all of my makeup and my makeup brushes that I don't use on an everyday basis and then putting them back into my drawers just because it was quite messy and you just saw a beauty blender fall on the floor then. So I just put it into this box so it was kind of easy to move to the other side of my room because I am very kind of messy and I drop things a lot. So this is what that area looks like afterwards. So it obviously looks a lot cleaner and a lot neater, which is good. Then I went to the pile of clothes I had on my floor. That's kind of the area where I just chuck things and yeah, it's a problem. So I just put everything into piles, so things I want to hang up, things that need to go back into drawers, and yeah, I just put things back into my wardrobe, and I definitely need to sort out my wardrobe. As you can tell, that little cupboard is really messy, and then when you see the other section of the wardrobe in a second, you'll see how literally I can't fit anything else in there. So I definitely need to go through my stuff and donate it. I always donate my clothes to the local charity shop near my house. So yeah, as you can tell, that is an absolute mess. So I just put back, I think it's a denim jacket and my favourite dress from Next, I think. Then I actually go in with the proper cleaning stuff and dust the tops of my desk, my makeup drawers. Then I go in with a window cleaner just to clean my mirrors, because honestly so much like powder and makeup get on them and I can literally barely see my face anymore because of how dusty it is. So I thought it was time to give it a clean. So I did the exact same thing on my other mirror as well. I kind of didn't realise that the window cleaner was literally going everywhere. Honestly, I've been in this room for I think about a month and I haven't hoovered it once, which is so bad. So I thought it was time, and I actually did hoover it. I didn't just like pretend for the video, I did actually genuinely clean my room. So yeah, this is how it's looking afterwards. Much better than previously before at the start of this video. I mean, it's not the tidiest and cleanest room ever, but it's definitely an improvement from the start of the video. So that is it for the cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you kind of cleaned along with this video, or if you're going to watch it in the future, I hope it goes well. If you do clean your room because of this video, make sure to post it on social media and tag me so I can see. I want to see your nice clean rooms. It's a bit of a weird thing to say you want to see, but I do want to see it. So yeah, that's it for the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much, and I will see you in my next one, hopefully. Bye.